How to buy PASTERNAK token. So this token came under the symbol of Pasternak. So before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits you can in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the update about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinGisco. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, go and copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallets. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So as you can see, the transfer fee is 2%. So select provider. It's only one provider, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, this is how much, or after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. This is how to buy PASTERNAK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.